Yeah, and we back and we better. Here we go, kind of like some bread and some butter. How do you keep appearing in all these rooms? Are you faking your makeup? Do you even have any makeup on that brush? There's no... Guys, so me and Taylor are just gonna give you a little tour of our nice first home.
We actually never even viewed our home in person before we got
Yeah,
it.
we didn't, because you know what? Sometimes when you know the one is the one, it's the one. And guess what? This is the one. I mean, this is a pad. I mean, a lot of you guys, you might have your first homes. It does not have to look like this. I'm not saying it does.
I like my shit luxury, you know
What I'm saying? If anyone wants to F around with the F arounds, then we hear like some clown.
Anywho, let's get to the This is where the coffee is. This is where I cook Julian snacks and bring them on a little tray. And I go, here you go, baby. All the food that the King Julian Smith eats. Most of it consists of, you know, organic food. No, I'm kidding. He totally does not eat organic food. This is where our guests stay. And wait!
Ain't no one care about no guest. Nobody cares about no guest, Taylor. We don't have friends.
Yes, we do.
I know.
Don't tell him that.
Now this right here is where we make the videos for the YouTube. How do you keep appearing in all these rooms? Are you faking your makeup? Do you even have any makeup on that brush? There's no make. She's just trying to do it for the gram, but this is the makeup in the video room.
This is one of my favorite rooms in the house. This is kind of just where the magic happens. This is where I get to be me.
The magic.
Yes.
Okay, so just a fun little backstory really quick about why half of our tree looks burnt and the other half looks good. I accidentally burned the house down when we first moved in. Me and my brother brought boxes into the backyard and tried to burn them even after Julian told me not to. And if you look right here, you can see the whole backside of the trees that are burnt. So yeah, I'm sorry.